One of the most reliable and most commonly used type of test is the multiple choice test. This is because it is objective, it is easy to check, and it requires less thinking time for the test taker. In this video, I am going to teach you how you can create an online multiple choice test that will check itself automatically. Hi, I am Sir Leo, and this is The Creative Professor. I'm glad that you found this video, and if it's your first time here on my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click subscribe and the notification bell at the end of this video because we're going to have more trainings and tutorials about English, online learning tools, and digital educational platforms. In my previous video, I taught you how you can create assignments with rubrics and anti-plagiarism checker. You can still watch that video by following the link in the description right there below. Today, we are going to create an online multiple choice test that you can distribute to your students in Google Classroom. Follow along and let us learn and create. Step 1. Log into Google Classroom to access your class. On the Classwork tab, click on Create and choose Quiz Assignment. In the Quiz Assignment screen, you need to type the title of your multiple choice test. Below the title, you can type the instructions for your quiz, or you can simply copy and paste it from your Word file or document. You will notice that Google Classroom automatically gives you a blank quiz to work on. You may use that, or you can click on Create and choose Forms. For now, we are going to use this blank quiz, and you will be directed to this Google Forms screen. Type the title of your quiz, and it will be automatically saved and reflected in your blank form. Again, you may copy and paste the instructions for your quiz in the form description. Right below the instructions, you have a blank question which is set by default to multiple choice. When you click on this drop-down arrow, you will see the different types of tests that you could create with Google Forms. Since our focus in this video is the multiple choice test, we can keep this setting. Let us put our first question in the entitled question. You can also copy and paste from a quiz you have used before. Just like what I'm going to do right now, I will copy and paste from a quiz that I have previously created in Word document. For your second multiple choice question, simply click on this duplicate icon and you will have a copy of the first question you have created. Simply replace this question and the choices with the item in your second multiple choice question. We are going to follow this process of copying and pasting up to number 5. If you don't have any existing quiz that you can copy and paste from, you can also use Google Forms to create a new one. Once you're done, Google Form will automatically save your quiz and you will be able to find it in your Google Drive. There you have it. Now you have an online multiple choice test. In my next video, I am going to teach you how you can create an answer key for your online multiple choice test. Thanks for watching! Please do like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Creative Professor.